Hey, I like your cat picture. Thanks. My mom got it for me. She knows how much I love cats. Me too. My frame costs $2 per foot of perimeter. So, what is the cost for this one? Let's figure it out together. Okay. First, we need to get the perimeter in feet, but the length says 1 yard. Well, 1 yard is 3 feet. Let's use this formula. So the length is 3 feet, and the width is 2 feet. Let's substitute those values into the formula. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. And when we add those, we get 10. So the perimeter of the picture is 10 feet. But we're not done because we need to know the cost of the frame. And that costs $2 per foot. Yeah, so let's multiply the perimeter, 10 feet, by 2. Right, 10 times 2 is 20. So the frame will cost $20. A problem isn't so scary when you go step by step. Remember, always make sure you answer the question. Once you get an answer to a computation, check back to the problem to see if you're finished or if you have more steps left to do in order to answer the question.